on the top of the boot. We're going to be putting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 from 5 here and up here, and then the other boot goes in here. Sometimes you have to kind of push a little bit like this. There you go. So this is the machine that I used to put it on. Let's take this one that I'm taking out is to put eyelids, eyes, compared to hooks are different. This is for the eyelids, and this one's for the hooks. So now I'll put it back in here. A little tricky. There you go. Okay. I'm going to put it on the eyelids to reinforce it. Hopefully it'll reach. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's going to go. So it should be fine. Put it this way. See if you can turn it around, but depending on the angle of the boot, but I usually put it like this. Now I just push. Voila. There's the first one. Before I take it out, I usually go like this with a hammer. I usually pound it a little bit, make it flat.